Maddie, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all how to make cuticle oil for your nails at home. If you keep your cuticles moisturized, it promotes nail growth, it promotes keeping your nails healthy and strong. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all a mixture that I have created to keep my nails long and healthy. First, you will need lavender essential oil. This one is from SVA Organics. We are going to start by adding 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Next, you will need some eucalyptus oil. This one is also from SVA Organics. Then we are going to add 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. You'll also need some grapefruit essential oil, and this one is from Simply Earth. Then we're going to add 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Then you'll also need some peppermint essential oil, and this one is from SVA Organics. Add 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Take a deep breath and realize. And then you'll also need some fractionated coconut oil. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. I placed my cuticle oil in these little bitty dropper bottles. I thought that these were a lot better than the roller balls because there are some complications that can come along with putting cuticle oil in the roller balls. If your cuticle oil turns out a little bit too thick, it can be hard to get out of the roller balls. So I thought that this was the best way to go. Let's keep our cuticles moisturized and our nails on fleek. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I can still